it all comes down to this little graphic. Okay, this graphic is basically telling you what are the particles and forces of which you are made. And quantum field theory describes the behavior of these particles and forces. So, roughly speaking, and this is very much a cartoon, and we'll improve upon it in a minute, but this is a picture of a hydrogen atom. Okay, a hydrogen atom has a proton at the center and an electron orbiting around it. And there's various particles going on here and various interactions mediated by forces. But we can list what they are. There's a finite number of them. So if you dig down into the proton, we know now that protons are made of quarks. Two up quarks, as we say, with charges plus 2/3 each, and one down quark with a charge minus 1/3 each. So the total charge of the proton is +1. And those quarks are held together by what we call the strong nuclear force, which is carried by particles called gluons. And then orbiting the hydrogen atom is an electron with charge -1. So the total charge of the hydrogen atom adds up to 0, +1 for the proton, -1 for the electron. The electron is held to the nucleus by a different force, the electromagnetic force carried by photons. And experimenters have shown that sometimes these quarks, the up and down quarks, can convert into one or the other. And in the process of doing so, they spit out a different kind of particle called a neutrino. And that interaction is mediated by the weak nuclear force carried by W and Z bosons. And then, of course, we have gravity. Gravity is everything pulling on everything else through the gravitational force carried by gravitons.